Okay, I'm back again. So we were doing this question over here. That was the first method that we could do by drawing the shape. There is this alternative method if we go to the other formula. We can do it just with using this formula. So here's the formula that we wrote down before. All we're doing is putting in for n the number of sides or the number of angles. Okay, so this side had 9 sides or 9 angles, so we're putting a 9 in those spots. If you work that whole thing out on your calculator, just use your fraction key, it will turn out to be the same answer of 140 degrees. When you get a harder question like this, it's asking for how many sides. So it's not giving you the number of sides or the number of angles, which a normal question would do. It's asking you for that. It's giving you the interior angle instead of you finding it. So we're going to start with this formula. It is much easier to do this one with this formula. And we're going to put the angle of 165 degrees in here and leave the ends where they are because we don't know the number of sides or the number of angles yet. After this first line, the main thing that you need to do is get rid of this fraction. That means you need to get rid of this denominator. So instead of dividing by n, we're going to come over to the other side and times by that n. That will leave you with just the top here because the n's gone over here and we've times by it. So the next line will say 165n and then we're going to expand the brackets to get 180n minus 360. After that, we're going to get the n's together on one side. So we're going to keep our biggest number of n's here. The plus 165n will come over to the other side and become minus 165n. And we're going to put the numbers on the other side. So minus 360 will come over here and become 360. Collect your like terms here and you'll have 15n. And then it's pretty easy to finish off from there. Just divide by the 15. Use your fraction key on your calculator and it comes up with a 24-sided figure. That's the answer to that question. We're going to go through some more examples in a minute of just normal polygons. They don't have to be regular. I'll do those examples on the next video.